3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, there we go. That was a good one.
Cars in the soap bucket.
We're gonna put cars in the soap bucket? All right, launch it in there. Oh yeah, that was good. You wanna leave him in there and try another one?
Yeah.
Look at him, he's just sitting in the bottom. That was a good jump. Let's get that on replay. Yeah, let's try a rainbow earth shaker. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh yeah, he dove right in.
Dad.
You wanna get him out?
Yeah.
Look at him, he's just sitting in the bottom. He's good and clean now. Let's try him all covered in bubbles. Look at Daddy, I got bubbles on me. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Woo! 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Alright, we got 2 of them in there. Let's see how many we can get in there. Alright, so who's gonna jump into the soap pit?
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger's gonna jump into the soap?
Zombie Gravedigger.
Alright, here we go.
3, 2, 1, Ooh! 3, 2, 1,
Yeah! Woo!
You fast. You got bubbly.
Wanna try again?
You got the soap wet.
They're getting all clean. Zombie doesn't like it. Well, Zombie, you're gonna jump into the foam pit. Ooh! Ooh!
I got a little bit of bubbles in me.
You got bubbles on you?
I can roll on you.
Let's try El Toro Loco.
Rock. Keep it rock.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! He hit the side. But look at them, they're all down in here. They're all in the water. Let's set them up so we can see them. Max D and Rainbow Earth Shaker.
The zombie. Let's do it again.
Let's jump somebody else. How about Megalodon? Megalodon's actually a shark, so he actually likes the water. Let's see how much he likes the water. You ready? It might splash. Here it goes. Better watch out. It's gonna splash you. Yeah.
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna jump Summer Gravedigger. Here it goes.
Let's do a big one.
Let's jump Mega Rex. One more.
Ooh.
Oh, he missed. Let's try that again.
No. No.
You gonna stop him? Haha, he went in. Alright, one more. Gravedigger. Oh yeah, you knocked him out of the sky. He went over here. That was a good deflection, buddy. Let's try to get this guy to go. He doesn't like to play with the ramp, but we're gonna try to make him go. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. See? Scoops, you're getting dropped. You wanna make some more bubbles?
Blowing the bubble.
All the cars are in there. How are they gonna get out? We're gonna have to get them out. Except you don't like to jump on the ramp, so we're just gonna have to throw you in there. We're gonna run him off the side. Ready? Yeah, he went in that time.
Wow, what's the water?
It's a shark. Ah, it's a shark.
Yeah, you're going to wee. Hardy, wee.
Make some more bubbles. Yeah.
Let's do us a challenge.
You ready, Megalodon? Wow, that was a good jump.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we still gotta get Gravedigger after he got punched out. You gonna punch him out of the way again?
I punched
Ah, he made it in.
you. Now you're going to kick. Hey, can I go in?
You gonna go? Oh, let's try your newest one, Max D. You gonna stop him?
Yeah.
You gonna stop him? Ah, he made it in.
Can I make it in? Can I jump?
You gonna put your face in it? Ah! Ah, look. Let's give you a mustache. Hi, I'm Santa Claus. Hey, Santa Claus. Hey. You're Santa Claus. Hey, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
See that?
All right, here we go. Jumping in another monster truck. Oh, he went over. Let's see if Daddy can ring it from back here. Let's push it back. All right, let's see how it goes. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, you stopped him. All right, good job, buddy. All right, here I go again. Stop! You stopped him again. I'm gonna get him to go in. I guess not. All right, let's see if Daddy can try it.
I stopped it.
Ah, he got stopped again. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! 1, go! 1, go! Yeah, there we go. That was a good one. We're gonna drop him from really high up. Move out of the way. He's gonna drop from really high up.
And can I go in?
How you gonna get in? Hey kids, who's your favorite Monster Jam? Is it Scoops or is it Rollin'?
Oh,
Alright, let's jump one more car and then we'll be done. We'll dump out all the water. Alright, Megalodon, you ready to make the high jump? Oh, he missed. Alright, Earthshaker, you ready to make the high jump? Yay! Yeah!
okay, let's do this. Let's put the water out.
You want to pour the water out?
Hey guys, thanks for watching this.
Let's jump it out. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! And they're all